everyone, welcome to Debbie's Creators Academy, the home for every small creator who wants to grow, get monetized, and win on YouTube without stress. You've noticed a small drop in your views, your subscribers aren't growing, or you're struggling to get your videos recommended. It's not just you, believe me. The thing is, YouTube just rolled out some major changes since July/August 2025. And if you're a small creator, this directly affects you. So in this video, I'm going to break down what this new update is about, how it affects small channels, why your videos may not be performing well, and most importantly, how you can beat the algorithm to grow faster. So grab a pen and paper because this could save your channel. Now let's talk about what's actually happening. Now, number one is the algorithm shift in video recommendation. YouTube is now placing more emphasis on video satisfaction and session time. This simply means that if your video doesn't keep people watching or your videos does not lead them to more videos, what the algorithm does is that it's going to push it down. This simply means that before you even try to create content, you should ensure that your content first of all has value. And I bet you that a content that has value will keep people watching and watching and watching. It will even make people to want to go to check for your other videos on your channel. Of course, there are videos on your channel that have not yet gained visibility. The moment you post a video that is value packed, you're going to see that that video is going to direct them to go and search for other videos on your channel. And if you post videos that are not impactful, what YouTube is just going to do is that they're going to push it down. They're not going to recommend it again. And that is why, if you've ever wondered why you posted a video, it got view and then it stopped getting views, that simply means the algorithm have stopped pushing it up for people to watch, because obviously when your video doesn't get views, it simply tells the algorithm that people are not interested in this. That's just the honest truth. They are going to stop promoting that video. Number two is the YouTube Short updates. The YouTube Short fund is being restructured again. They are simply focusing on engagement rates rather than views. So if you're doing shorts, what it simply means that if you're posting short videos, please ensure that the first 3 seconds of your short is actually catchy. Okay, something that will actually grab people's attention so they don't grab away. Because it is not just about the views, the total number of views you're getting on your short right now. It is about the engagement. And engagement simply means that people are interested in the video. And this is how YouTube gets to recommend your videos more and more to more audience. YouTube is basically talking about the fact that your videos need to be engaged well enough for them to be counted, and not just about the number of views you're getting on your video. Number 3 is the AI generated content monitoring. YouTube has actually placed their eye. In fact, it's as if they have set a watchdog on all AI generated content. I feel like there's a lot of news flying about people talking about, oh, channels that are doing AI generated content are going to be demonetized, they will not be monetized. No, that's not what they're talking about. What YouTube is actually trying to talk about in this aspect of AI generated content is that you can do an AI channel, you can do a faceless channel. AI can actually help you to do stuff. I work with AI as well. It can actually help you to do stuff. But what YouTube is saying is that you should not leave all the creative aspects to AI. Some persons use AI to generate thumbnails. They use AI to generate their script. They use AI to generate almost everything, and they still use AI to generate their voice. What happened to your voice? The YouTube platform has given you an opportunity to create faceless content. Now, you are not putting your face there because of reasons best known to you. So what about your voice? I feel like if you're actually doing AI content, you should try as much as possible to use your voice to do the voiceover. Okay, YouTube is saying that there should be an effort in your content. You should not just leave everything for AI alone. At least use your voice. Use your voice to do the voiceover. You can use AI to generate your script, okay? But then when you're trying to convey what your video is all about, it's pertinent for you to actually use your voice. And that's basically what stands you out. Individual voices is what stands us out on this YouTube space. YouTube is simply tracking down all low quality AI generated content. Channels using text, video, AI tools without originality. These channels may get demonetized this 2025, so please be careful. Use your voice. Try to be original. Okay, everything should not be done for you with AI. In as much as AI is here to ease our lives, but we should also try as much as possible to bring out our creativity. We should not allow AI to take over the creative aspect of our channels. Now, another update is the monetization threshold adjustment. For new creators, YouTube is testing new monetization rules in some areas. Some creators have been allowed into the monetization program earlier if they get 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch time hours, as regards the normal 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours. But there is a but they are saying that if their content is quality and consistent. This simply means that right now you can actually get monetized with 500 subscribers, 3,000 watch time hours instead of 4,000 watch time hours. But YouTube is actually saying that for you to get monetized, your content needs to be quality. You need to upload quality content and you need to be consistent. It is not that after getting 500 subscribers, 3,000 watch time hours, and the only time you post in YouTube is once in 3 months. In as much as consistency does not mean you should post every day, it simply means that you should always show up. Even if you're posting once in a month, it is something. If you're so busy that it's only once in a month you want to post, that's the consistency. If you want to post once in a week, that's consistency. Consistency is actually setting up a schedule, a time, and then you're following it up. Consistency does not mean you should post every day. In fact, this time around, consistency simply means posting like at least twice in a week. And if you post more than twice in a week, YouTube is going to see it as a spam. The truth is, YouTube is actually terminating a lot of channels that are posting every day. YouTube sees you posting every day as a spam. So when we're talking about consistency, it is all about you posting at least twice in a week, or highest 3 times in a week. Okay, because of course, for channels that are monetized, you know that, okay, you have to post at least 3 times in a week for you to get more revenues, right? But then posting more than that time, YouTube is going to see it as spammy and it could lead to your channel being terminated. Please understand consistency. Another change is the sudden drop in impression. This is happening to many small creators. If your click-through rate or average view duration drops, YouTube stops recommending that video immediately. And for YouTube to keep on recommending your video, it means that your click-through ratio should be at least 5%. And you need to understand that the first 2 hours of your upload actually matters. So what I suggest is whenever you post a video on YouTube, please don't just leave the video like that. Ensure you share it on your social media platforms, on your Facebook, or your TikTok, or your Instagram. If you have a Telegram group or a WhatsApp group, share it there so that people are going to get to watch that video and it will give you a certain number of views for the YouTube algorithm to say that people are really interested in the video, especially in the first 2 hours of upload. So don't just upload your videos and leave it like that. Okay, let it generate views, especially from external sources. And then once the YouTube algorithm sees that the video is already generating views, it will then start extending it to the browse features everywhere basically. And that is going to help your click-through rate to actually increase. Now, I've talked about all the updates that YouTube has brought newly. Now, I'm going to be talking about how this affects you as a small creator. So at this point, if you're yet to subscribe to the channel, please click on the red subscribe button. It does not bite in, and please turn on your notification bell. This will actually help you to be notified anytime I upload new video, because in this channel you're going to be getting premium value, and I'm focusing majorly on you as a small creator. I have a channel with over 15,000 subscribers that I have grown, and I can tell you with that number of subscribers, I've gathered a lot of experience to help you on this channel. So do well to stick around and join this beautiful family so I can help us to grow together. Now, this is how this update affects small creators. You may have noticed the signs I'm going to talk about right now. Sudden drop in views after 24 hours. Post a video and after 24 hours, your views keeps dropping. Instead of it to be increasing, it will be dropping and dropping and dropping, and you get tired. And you start asking yourself, what's going on? Are people not seeing my video? Am I hidden? What is going on? You may also notice that your older videos have stopped getting recommended. I don't know if you can relate. Drop at the comment section if you can relate to what I'm saying. That way it affects you is that subscriber growth is going to become stagnant. Obviously, once your video are dropping after 24 hours, your older videos are not doing well. Obviously, it's going to impact on the number of subscribers you have. Your subscriber growth is going to be stagnant because obviously new people are not coming to see your channel. Then invariably, it also affects on your comments. Okay, you're not going to be getting comments because people are only going to comment on what they see, right? This update hits small creators the hardest because this is because you may not get loyal viewers who watch to the very end. Big creators already have people that can stick to watch their videos to the very end. And for the fact that those people are sticking to watch their videos to the very end, obviously means that they are going to have a higher click-through rate. And higher click-through rate means YouTube recommending their videos. And YouTube recommending their videos simply means that more people are going to be watching the videos. And more people watching the videos simply means that more people are going to be subscribing. And more people subscribing simply means that they're going to have one or two things to drop at the comment section. So it does not really affect big creators, but small creators. The update is going to affect how YouTube is recommending your videos. It will affect your click-through rate and obviously the number of subscribers you're going to be getting and engagement on your content. Another way it hits small creators the highest is the titles and thumbnails may not be fully optimized. You may be relying on one type of content. That is another way it will hit you hardest. Example, you may just be relying on just tutorials or just shorts. Simply means that you need to keep things, mix things up and see what works and what does not work instead of just sticking on just tutorials, just short and whatever you are doing that is not working. It is expected that you explore. YouTube is a place for you to explore. Okay, so once you're just starting your channel, I don't really expect that you should niche down immediately, because what if you niche down and you're not doing well in your chosen area of niche? Are you not expected to change? When I started my first channel, I did not just niche down. I explored. I tried so many areas until I was able to get what works for me. I'm also going to suggest that if you're just starting on YouTube, you don't need to niche down yet. First of all, try different areas and see what works for you actually before you decide to niche down. The truth is that YouTube is now favoring channels that makes people to watch videos for longer. So as a small creator, if people are not watching your videos for longer, it may not favor you. If your video makes people to click away, the algorithm will not favor you. But then don't worry, I have a good news for you. So I'm going to be teaching you what you can actually do so this update does not affect you. And that's because I love you. And that is why you should stick to this channel, because I love you and I will always bring the best for you, okay? Let's talk solutions. If you want to survive and even thrive, here's what to do. Number one is to focus on retention. Your first 15 seconds must hook the viewer. I repeat, the first 15 seconds of your video must hook anybody watching your video. Instead of saying, hi everyone, my name is this, that, blah, 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 blah. Instead, you say, today, I will show you, or you use, watch this video before you. So these are the type of intros you should use. In today's video, I'm going to show you, watch this video before. These are the type of intros you should actually say. Instead of saying, hello everyone, my name is this, I'm going to do this, and my name is this, blah, blah, blah. Nobody is interested in your name, especially if you're just starting. So you just have to hit something that will make them to, sit down and not just scroll away immediately. Especially if you are doing shorts. Another thing is to add curiosity. Add suspense. In movie, they call it suspense. Do not just say everything in the first video. You need to do something that will make them to stick to watch the very end. The role of your thumbnail cannot be overemphasized. Please, in all you can, learn to edit good thumbnails. Recently, ChatGPT is actually helping people edit your thumbnail. Your thumbnail should be catchy. The thumbnail is the first thing that people see before they can actually click on your video. Please, your thumbnail should be professionally enough, and not just professional, it should be emotionally appealing. People should see something on your channel that will trigger them to click on that video. This is how to get to know if your thumbnail is actually beautiful. All you need to do is place your thumbnail side by side other thumbnails and ask yourself, if my thumbnail were to be placed with these other thumbnails, which one am I going to click? So that one you're going to click is the one that people are going to click on first. So please learn to position your thumbnail, or learn to create your thumbnail in such a way that people can click on it. It should be catchy, it should be attractive, it should be beautiful. The keywords for the video you're making should be attached to your thumbnail. Use bold text, contrast colors, show emotion, show surprise, show curiosity on your thumbnail. Use titles like, this mistake is killing your channel, or you can use words like, this secret is what YouTube does not want you to know. These are things that are emotionally appealing and catchy and will make people to want to quickly click to even see what you want to talk about. Another thing you should do is to mix long form with shorts. Don't just focus on creating only long form content, or if you are creating short form content, don't just focus on creating short form content. Ensure you mix them together and see what actually works for you. The thing you need to know is that short form content it will not increase your watch time, especially as a new content creator. You're trying to build your channel, you're trying to get your 3,000 watch time hour. If you're doing shorts and you're trying to get your 3,000 full time hours, you're not going to get it very fast because short does not give a lot of watch time. So it is long form video that actually give a lot of watch time, okay? But then you have to mix things up together. By the time you create a long form video, you can actually carve out a short from your long form video and post it as a short. Okay, this simply means that as you're getting views on your long form videos, you're also getting views on your short form videos. At the end of the day, if ordinarily you're supposed to get 100 views on your long form video, uploading a short form video simultaneously will actually make you to get up to, at least your short video can actually give you up to 200 views, because shorts actually get a lot of views. So by the time you mix them up together, you're going to increase the number of views you're getting, and by so doing, your watch time is also going to be increased. So the difference between the long video and short video is that the long video actually help you to rank and makes people to remain on your channel, why the short form videos actually help you to go viral. You get more views when you upload shorts, okay? But then they may not give you the subscribers, because short form videos does not really show all your personalities. But in a long form video, people are going to see you, they're going to stay more with you, and staying more with you will actually make them to, want to fall in love with your personality. Will also give you an opportunity to show value that will make them to love you. And when all these are in place, they're automatically going to subscribe to your channel, because definitely they want to see more of your face. The thing you should do is to always post at the right time. There is time for everything. If you want to target UK audience, US audience, ensure you know when they are waking up. Do not go and post when they are sleeping, because if you're watching from Nigeria right now, or you're watching from any other country, you want to target foreign countries, ensure you know their time when they're waking up. Okay, you might be sleeping in Nigeria while they are awake over there. They might be sleeping and while you are awake. So do not just assume that the Nigeria time and their own time is the same thing. So to attract those people, ensure you post at their own time. Just post when your audience is most active, or you can start with this time. You can either post 12 p.m., 3 p.m. or even 7 p.m. your local time. So is favoring consistent creators. Post once or twice a week. Even if it is a short, just post it. Ask your viewers to engage with your content. Ask them to subscribe, like your video, share your video. Viewers are your biggest asset. Beg them to subscribe. So please, as you're watching this video, do also like my video, subscribe, please subscribe to my channel, and I will really appreciate it. You can do well to also share the video, so that the algorithm is going to know that people are watching these videos, people are interested in these videos, and that is why they're sharing it. Okay, thank you. Another thing you should do is to also create playlists to keep people watching. Now, what playlist actually does is that after people finish watching this video, for instance, you finish watching this video, if I create a playlist for my channel, if you finish watching this video, the next video you're going to see is another of my video. You keep on seeing other of my videos. Instead of seeing other people's video, you'll be seeing other of my video. This is basically what playlist does for you. It will help to drive traffic to your other videos. Instead of people leaving your channel entirely after watching a particular video, they will keep on watching videos from your channel. And that's a win-win, right? Let me tell you something, my fellow creators. You're feeling frustrated right now. I get it. Trust me, I 100% get it. You put on so much. You work so hard on your videos, you stay up editing, you give your best, and YouTube doesn't seem to even notice it. But here is the truth. Every big YouTuber today started small, and many faced moments like this. This update is obviously not meant to punish you, simply an opportunity for you to level up your strategy. And guess what? Many creators will not adjust, but you will. For meeting this channel, you will adjust. I will help you to adjust. So please don't quit now. Do not quit. That breakthrough video is closer than you can ever imagine. You're going to get that viral video that is going to announce you to the whole world. You're going to get that viral video that is going to give you all the watch time you've ever desired. You're going to get that viral video that is going to wipe all of your tears and take away all of your frustrations, and you'll start loving YouTube again. So if this video helped you understand what's going on, drop a comment down below and let me know. Tell me I'm ready to grow. And don't want to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell so that you always get notified when I upload new videos. Because I'll be sharing practical tools and secrets every week to help you grow on YouTube, even if you're starting from scratch. And if you want to learn the tricks and techniques that I used to grow my first channel to 15,000 subscribers, but do want to check at the description box to get my course, Faceless YouTube channel and all you need to know about YouTube. This will actually help you to scale up your journey to monetization on YouTube. Until next time, keep creating, keep believing, most importantly, keep showing up. You got this.